Hey guys, my name is Jacob, lesson number ur15cs130. I'm doing my 5th experiment in Unix lab, and this is about file accessing. So we have created some files in a Unix environment. So by using shell commands, you can access the file and edit something. You can run it as a program, so that without entering the file and editing it, we can edit by running the predefined program. So let me walk through it. The first thing is write a shell script to find the frequency of occurrence of a given alphabet or word in a content and the input file name. So we are going to ask them to enter the word and enter file name. We are going to check, So we are going to check the occurrence of the word in the file, and if it occurs, we are going to display it's there. So enter the word cloud and enter the file name, some file name. So number of occurrence in the cloud is 3. So in this situation, you might get some doubt like, how is it possible? How can a shell script simplify find the number of words in a file? That's because it contains some predefined functions which automatically checks the file and finds the number of words. So for example, here is the operation called grep #0. This is the main thing which is used to find the number of words in a file. So same way, let me go through the next thing. Write the shell script that gets the person's UID as input, so that's the user ID, and tells you how many times the person has been logged in. So enter the UID. We are giving the UID, and based on the function called grep, #grep and wc.thing gives the number of times the user ID has logged in to the system. So this is useful for some administration stuffs, that you can check your employees, how much time they are getting logged in and what is their runtime, everything. And the thing is, write the shell script as an argument and print the person's name, home directory, shell, and a group number. Print out the name of the group corresponding to the group number and other groups and some shits. So we are going to print something like group, home directory, shell, group name, and other things, other stuffs. So basically, to get something from a file which is already existing in a database is through grep in shell command. So we are giving a username, and using the grep, we are deriving all the user ID which are present in the file location called #etc password. This is the file location. In this file location are the details of the user. So we are gathering the details and printing them separately. So as I have given the username, it displays all the output. So write the shell script to check whether the particular user is using the system or not. So this is also another option which is usually used by the administrators. So by giving the username, you can also check whether the user is logged in or what he is doing. So see the program. You can see all the program. You can see the word called grep. So as I said before, for file accessing, the main thing you need in shell command is grep. And entering the username, you can see that the user is logged in, and the terminals and the IP address. So the final thing is, write the shell script to print the details of the given file name, such as file permission size, and this is another one advantage of shell command is we can also find the file permission size, the number of links, owners, inode numbers, etc. This is the program, file permissions, and to find the file permission ls, we are using some different functions here, not the same grep. Something like ls space or li or #li, that's a function name. So after running the program, just give the text file and it will show the file permission, the height of the file, the inode number, so you know what's meant by inode numbers, and the number of links, the owner, who is the owner, And these are the basic things you can find in Windows also by just going to a file and just right clicking and going to the properties. You can find the owner, the permission of the file, and some other things, all the details which you can see here. That's all about this moment. Thank you.